Brad has 9 pounds of ground turkey to make turkey burgers for a picnic. How many 1/3 pound burgers can he make? So remember, when we're writing our expression, we want to think about what the total is first. The total is going to come first in our expression. So we have a total of 9 pounds of turkey, ground turkey, and he wants to make 1/3 pound burgers. So we want to know how many he can make. So let's take a look at the model. Draw 9 rectangles to represent each pound of ground turkey. So here's our 9 rectangles. Divide each rectangle into thirds. So I'm drawing 2 lines down, and now each one is split into thirds, 1, 2, 3. When you divide the blank rectangles into thirds, so we have 9 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, divided into thirds, 1/3. You are finding the number of thirds in 9 rectangles. So we want to take a minute and count how many thirds there are total in the 9 rectangles. So if there are 3 groups in one rectangle, and we have 9 of them, 3 times 9 is 27. So we would have 27 thirds. So we could go through and count these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on until we get to 27. Or we know that there's 9 groups and they're split into thirds, and 9 times 3 is 27. So complete the number sentence. So 9 divided by 1/3, he can make 27 1/3 pound turkey burgers. That's a lot of turkey burgers. He must be having a big picnic. Now, so that's what the model's showing us. When we're dividing fractions, we are actually, what we're going to do is we're going to write a multiplication sentence based on our division sentence. So you're going to hear me say keep, change, and flip. So here's our expression, 9 divided by 1/3. We know that when we, well, just like division, when we multiply a whole number times a fraction, we need to put it over 1. We are going to keep the first fraction the same, 9 over 1. We're going to change the operation. They already did it for us. So the opposite or the inverse of division is multiplication. And then we're going to flip the last fraction. So 1/3 now becomes 3 over 1. So we're flipping. The denominator becomes the numerator becomes the denominator. And now we have a multiplication sentence because we did keep, change, flip. And now, oh, look at this. We know how to multiply fractions. Multiply the numerator. 9 times 3 is 27. And our denominator is 1 times 1 is 1. We can't leave it as an improper fraction. So 27 divided by 1 is 27. So here's showing you with a model, and then this is also showing you with standard division, which we turn into a multiplication sentence and multiply. So again, we end up with 27, just like we did here with our model. Brad can make 27 1-pound burgers.